Okay, good morning everyone. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing well at your places. So beta, in today's class, I am going to discuss question number 4 of exercise 6.3. Although it's not difficult, it's not different, it's the same division which we were doing, but students were asking me to just tell the solutions, how to do the solutions of this question. So that's why I'm just discussing this question. Okay, so just look here, question number 4. This is exercise 6.3, okay? Part 2 I am just discussing first. Part 1 I have already discussed, right? So what is there in this part? We need to divide z raised to the power 4 plus 1 with z minus 1. Z raised to the power 4 plus 1 divided by z minus 1. So what are we going to do in this question? Just have a look here. Our first step will be what? First term of the dividend will be divided with first term of the divisor. So z raised to the power 4 will be divided with z. देखो basics you all know. I am just discussing solutions, how to do the solution. You might be having some problems in some steps, right? But I hope everybody had tried all the questions which we have done related to division, because it's the same division which we have done. But हाँ थोड़ी सी these are little lengthy questions. So just look here, z raised to the power 4, z raised to the power 1. It is going to be z raised to the power 3, 4 minus 1, right? First step done, then second step. Z raised to the power 3 multiplied with divisor. Divisor में जितनी terms है उनसे multiply होगा. So z cube with z, z raised to the power 4, and z cube multiplied with 1 will be z cube. So you will get z4, z cube. Z raised to the power 4, z cube. Now second step, what is the second step? We will change the sign. Now z raised to the power 4 plus and minus will get cancelled. Do you think we can add 1 and z cube? No, we cannot, because they are not like terms, right? We cannot add or subtract. So what we have to do? We will just write it like that only. लेकिन किसको पहले लिखे, z cube को या 1 को? So you remember हम क्या करते थे, जिसकी पावर ज़्यादा है, I mean जिसकी डिग्री ज़्यादा है. Here it is z cube, degree is 3. Here only 1. It means z raised to the power 0 we can write it. So here degree 0, degree 3, degree highest किसकी है, इसकी, so we are going to write it. Plus z cube, क्योंकि अब इसका साइन प्लस है, जो भी साइन चेंज है वो लेंगे. Then we have plus 1. Again next step, z cube divided with z. So again 3 minus 1, you will get z raised to the power 2. Okay, now z raised to the power 2 we have got. Z raised to the power 2 को we have to multiply z raised to the power 2 with divisor. Same step I am doing जो हम करते आए हैं. Z square into z, z cube. Z square into 1, z square. So you will get z cube minus z square. Again we will change the sign. फिर से same step. They are not like terms. 1 and z square. Degree z square is greater. Just look at degree here, power 2. Here 0. Degree 2, degree 0. So we will write this first with highest degree. Term with highest degree. जिसकी डिग्री ज़्यादा है. So z square we will write first and plus 1. Now again next step, same step. Z square will be divided with z. First term of dividend divided with first term of divisor. So you will get z. We will write z here. Same step, z which we have got questioned. This term of the question z will be multiplied with divisor. Z into z, z square, z into 1 z. So you will get z square minus z. We will change the signs, okay? Now again degree, they are not like terms, z and 1. Degree 0, degree 1. So we are going to take this plus z and this is plus 1. Again we will divide first term of the dividend with the first term of divisor. So you will get 1. Right? Now 1 will be multiplied with whole z minus 1. So z minus 1 into 1 will be z minus 1. Then we will change the signs. Now plus 1 plus 2. So remainder will be 2 and question will be z cube. This is going to be our question and this is going to be our remainder. I hope this is very much clear to all of you. Okay, now moving on to next question. Okay, next question. So here we have next question with us. Question number 3. is our question number 3, which is 5x cube. I'm just writing what we have to do. This is question part 3, I'm sorry. 3x plus 2, here we have divisor, and dividend we have got is 5x cube minus 26 upon 3x square. Then we have 4x plus 8. Okay, we have to divide this 5x cube minus 26 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 8 with 3x plus 2. So how are we going to divide? Just have a look here. It's the same. You don't need to get confused that this is going to be something different. No. Class, this is mathematics. ऐसा नहीं है कि रूल हर बार ही चेंज हो जाएंगे. Right? ऐसा होता तो maths is going to be the toughest subject, but it's not like that. आपने जो पढ़ा है सेम ही चीज़ है. डिविजन का मतलब वही है. So again we will do the same thing. 5x cube divided by 3x, है ना? 5 upon 3, देखो we cannot, कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, को-प्राइम नंबर है, ऐसे कैसे लिख देंगे? 3 minus 1 2, so this is 5 upon 3x square. हमारा पहला स्टेप वही है जो अभी तक हम करते हैं. अब this we have got question will be multiplied with divisor. पूरे divisor से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. It's okay अगर आप डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते, एक स्टेप इंक्रीज कर दो, but don't do mistake. 5 upon 3x square multiplied with first term which is 3x, and then 5 upon 3x square multiplied with 2. So you will get 3 will get cancelled with 3, x square into x is x cube. Then we have 5 into 2 10 upon 3 x square. So we will write 5x cube plus 10 upon 3 x square. Understood? Okay. Now what is our next step? हम sign change करते थे, यहाँ पर भी sign change करेंगे. This is minus, this is minus. Plus 5 minus 5 like terms है 0 cancel. अभी these are also like terms. जब हम like terms हमारा होता था, what are we going? What we were doing? We were just adding or subtracting the coefficients, right? So यहाँ पे coefficient है minus 26 upon 3. यहाँ का coefficient है minus 10 upon 3. आप इसको when you will just solve it, you will get minus 36 upon 3, which is minus 12. यानी इनको जब माइनस माइनस प्लस माइनस 26 अपॉन 3 माइनस 10 अपॉन 3 यू विल गेट माइनस 12. दोनों के पीछे x स्क्वायर है, वी विल आल्सो राइट x स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ नेक्स्ट टर्म इज व्हाट? 4x. अगेन वी विल डू द सेम थिंग. माइनस 12x स्क्वायर विल बी डिवाइडेड विद 3x, है ना? सेम स्टेप. डिविडेंड विल बी डिवाइडेड विद डिवाइजर. सो 3 4s are 12 which is minus 4. X square and x1. 2 minus 1 will be 1. So minus 4x. What is our next step? We are going to multiply minus 4x with 3x plus 1. Please take care of the sign. यहाँ minus 12x square है तो आपको minus 12x square divided by 3x लेके चलना है. देखो मैंने भी minus 12x square लिया. Now minus 4x you have got minus 4x multiplied with 3x plus 2. So you will get minus 12x square and minus 8x. Minus 4x into 3x minus 12x square minus 4x into 2 is minus 8x. So you will get this. Now change the sign. This is plus, this is plus. 8 plus 4, 12x. What is our next term? Plus 8. Same step we are going to follow now. Again, 12x divided by 3x. अब मैं आपको करके नहीं दिखा रही हूँ, आपको सबको पता है 12x divided by 3x is what? You will get 4. 12x divided by 3x, you will get 4. So this is 4. Question is 4. 4 will be multiplied with whole 3x plus 2. So 4 3s are 12x, 4 2s are 8. So you will get 12x plus 8. Look here. Sign change. Yes, you have got the remainder 0. What is our remainder? Our remainder will be 0 and our question will be 5 upon 3x square minus 4x plus 4. Understood? So now I am taking next question. Just have a look here. Question number 4. 4 I want you to do it by your own. You can do it. Okay. Now question number 5 I am just discussing with you. Okay. Question number 5. Here we have, you need to divide this. देखो, I'm just writing कि क्या question है, then we'll just do it. Okay, this 2 minus 5x is our divisor, and dividend is minus 75x cube plus 67 upon 2x square plus 18x upon 5. 18x upon 5 minus 2. This we need to do. Okay. Now what we have to do here, just have a look here. There is a problem here with divisor. देखो, you should always arrange algebraic expression here when you are doing division or division. Always arrange in descending order of the powers of the variables of the terms. देखो यहाँ पे अगर मैं बात करूँ, यहाँ पे हमारा वेरिएबल x है. Here x raised to the power 1 and here x raised to the power 0. कुछ नहीं है तो x raised to the power 0 है. So we need to arrange the terms. Sign नहीं change करना है. We need to arrange the terms in descending order of the power of the variables. Terms को ऐसे arrange करना है. कैसे arrange करना है? Descending order of their powers. I mean descending order of the power of the variable. जैसे first term की बात करूँ, यहाँ पे 2 है. यहाँ पे power of the variable is 0. है ही नहीं. 2x raised to the power 0. Here x raised to the power 1. Descending order, decreasing order. तो यानी मुझे 5x raised to the power 1 पहले लिखना है. देखो आप चाहे 2 minus 5x लिखो, चाहे minus 5x plus 2 लिखो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I have not changed anything. मैंने तो सिर्फ पोजीशन चेंज की. दिस वाज minus 5x, अभी भी minus 5x है. plus 2 है, plus 2 है. यानी मुझे क्या करना है? Whenever you go for division, always remember कि आपकी you should always arrange the divisor or the divisor and the dividend in descending order. You should arrange the terms, and I must say terms of the dividend and divisor in descending order of the power of the variable. Right? Terms को arrange करना है. तो यहाँ पे x raised to the power 0, यहाँ x raised to the power 1. So this I am going to take first. I am going to write this first, but sign नहीं change करना है. ये minus 5x है, अभी भी minus 5x plus 2. So this we are going to write here minus 5x plus 2. अब हमको डिवीजन आता है जैसा हम करते थे. minus 75x cube divided with minus 5x. Right? Minus 75x cube divided with minus 5x. Minus से minus cancel. This is 15. 3 minus 1 will be 2. So this is 15x square. So I am going to write here 15x square. Now what is our next step? 15x square will be multiplied with minus 5x plus 2. So this is minus 75x cube. 15x square plus 2 is 30x square. Okay, so this is I am going to write here. This is minus 75x cube. I am so sorry. And this is plus 30x square. What is our next step? Sign change करने हैं. So we are going to change the signs. ये like terms है, ठीक है. So what are we going to do? 67 upon 2 minus 30. यही करेंगे. So you will get what? 67 minus 60, which is 7 upon 2. देखो ऐसा नहीं है कि रूल चेंज किया है मैंने. अभी भी 67 upon 2 x square and minus 30 x square. These are like terms. It means we can add or subtract that. तो हम क्या करेंगे? कोएफिशिएंट्स को लेंगे. यहाँ पे 67 upon 2 है और यहाँ minus 30 है. We will take this LCM, and then 67 minus 67 upon 2. So you will write 7 upon 2. Don't get which x square. So we are also going to write x square. Now what is our next step? This is plus 18 upon 5x. So what are we going to do again? देखो यहाँ पर 7 upon 2 x square को divide करना है. अभी तक it was like we were just taking numbers. मतलब I was not taking rational numbers. Integers we were taking, right? आपकी बार rational number है, यानी वही same step कर रही हूँ. This first term of the dividend will be divided with minus 5x. और ये हमको आता है. So this is going to be 7 upon 2 x square. Divide की जगह multiply हो जाता है. This is reciprocal. So 7 into 7, 7 into 1 is 7, 2 into minus 5 is minus 7, minus 10, 2 minus 1 is x. देखो कोई तो क्या है? 7 upon 2 x square divided by minus 5x. हाँ, 7 upon 2 x square को जब डिवाइड करोगे minus 5x से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी आवर रेसिप्रोकल. सो यू विल गेट 7 into 1 7 minus 5 into 2 minus 10. देखो 2 और 8, this is x raised to the power 2, this is x raised to the power 1. डिवाइड हो रहा है, powers will be subtracted. और अगर आपको ये भी नहीं समझ आ रहा है तो it's like this, x square का मतलब x into x, एक x से x cancel, so you will get minus 7 upon 10x. Okay, minus 7 upon 10x. I'm so sorry, I'll write it here. Understood. Now what? अब हम minus 7 upon 10x को पूरे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हमारे डिवाइजर से. minus 7 upon 10x को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे फर्स्ट टर्म से which is minus 5x. Then minus 7 upon 10x will be multiplied with 2, है ना? So you will get 5 2s are 10. So you will get minus 7 upon 2x square, minus 7 upon 2x square, and here you will get minus 7 upon 5x. Here you will get minus 7 upon 5x square. So I am also writing the same thing. देखो बच्चे कुछ नया नहीं किया है, अब fractions आ रहे हैं बस. Now again we will change the signs. Plus, I'm so sorry, this is minus 7 upon 10x. This is going to be plus, है ना? देखो minus 7 upon 10x को आप minus 5x plus 2 से multiply करोगे, you will get what? Minus minus plus, है ना? Plus this is what? 7 upon 2x square, right? And then देखो ये ऐसे किया है 7 upon 10x into minus 5x, and this is minus 7 upon 10x into 2. So you will get what? Plus 7 upon 2x square minus minus plus, and this is what? Minus 7 upon 5x. Now we will change the signs. Done? Next step, these are like terms, so yes, we can add them. 18 upon 5 plus 7 and then upon 5. So 18 upon 5 plus 7 upon 5 is what? 25 upon 5, right? 25 upon 5, which is 5. तो यानी यहाँ आया है 18 upon 5 और 7 upon 5 को ऐड करोगे, you will get 5. And like term, so this is x. Now next is what? Minus 2. अभी देखते हैं. Again, first term divided with first term, 5x divided with minus 5x. You will get minus 1. Please take care of the sign. अभी क्या करना है? Minus 1 will be multiplied with divisor. So this is minus 1 into minus 5x. You will get plus 5x. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Just look here. Minus 1 into minus 5x plus 5x minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Now we will change the signs and this is remaining. So remainder will be 0 and our quotient is going to be what? Our quotient will be 15x square minus 7 upon 10x minus 1. Okay, so this is our quotient, right? And our remainder will be 0. I hope everybody is very much clear, right? Okay, now I'm going to discuss one more question with you. So just discussing part 6. Okay, part 6 I'm just discussing with you. Don't get confused with these questions. These are very easy, same steps हैं, but अभी क्या हो रहा है? थोड़ी सी lengthy है. It's like that only. Earlier questions we were completing in 1 or 2 steps. Now this time we are Alright class, so this is 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 4 divided with what? X minus 1 upon 2. So how are we going to do it? I am just telling you that. देखो यहाँ पे हमारा question क्या है? We have got the question x minus, I am so sorry, divisor we have is x minus 1 upon 2. Okay, x minus 1 upon 2. देखो although अगर आप इसको ऐसे सॉल्व करते हो then also you will get the answer, but इसको और थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं क्लास. x minus 1 upon 2, right? x minus 1 upon 2 को आप सिंप्लीफाई करके भी आंसर निकाल सकते हो और डायरेक्ट भी आप कर सकते हो. ओके, सो लेट्स जस्ट डू इट डायरेक्टली, है ना? तो पहला स्टेप क्या होता है? 4x क्यूब डिवाइडेड विद x, सो यू विल गेट 4x स्क्वायर, है ना? So we are going to write 4x square here. Now 4x square multiplied with x minus 1 upon 2. So you will get 4x cube. Okay, देखो 4x square into x, 4x cube. 4x square into half is what? 2x square. So you will get 2x square, right? So that's what I'm writing here. 4x cube minus 2x square, right? Again we will change the signs. Minus 3 plus 2 plus minus minus बड़े का sign, so you will get minus x square. Next step is 2x. Next term हमारी क्या है? 2x. Now what? Again first term of the dividend divided with first term of divisor. So minus x square divided with x, you will get minus x. 2 minus 1, right? देखो x square means x into x. एक x से एक x we can cancel. So this is minus x, right? So we will get minus x. Second step, minus x multiplied with x minus 1 upon 2. So you will get minus x square plus 1 upon 2x. माइनस का साइन है ब्रैकेट के बाहर, प्लस टेक केयर ऑफ द साइन. आप लोगों को आते हुए भी आपके आंसर्स रॉन्ग हो जाते हैं just because of you know these silly mistakes. So you will get this. Now next step. Again we will change the signs. Cancel. Now 2x minus 1 upon 2x, right? Same है. So what are we going to do? We'll take the LCM 4x minus x, which is 3 upon 2x. ये मैं नहीं डेप्थ में जा रही हूँ, आप लोगों को आते हैं. I hope everybody is very much clear. 2 minus 1 upon 2 कर रहे हो बेटा. LCM लिया 2, 2 minus 2 into 2 4 minus 1 3 upon 2. दोनों के पीछे x था तो मैंने भी x लिखा. Now this is minus 4. Okay. Now what? Now minus I'm so sorry. First term of the dividend 3 upon 2x divided with x. क्या मिलेगा? 3 upon 2 मिलेगा ना? देखो divided by x multiply करोगे और reciprocal करोगे x x cancel, you will get 3 upon 2. Now 3 upon 2 multiplied with x minus 1 upon 2. So this is 3 upon 2x minus 3 into 1 3 upon 4. Again we will change the signs. Now देखो minus 4 plus 3 upon 4 like terms है ना. So we will again take the LCM. This is minus 16 plus 3. So you will get minus 13 upon 4. So our remainder will be minus 13 upon 4. And our question is going to be what? Our question will be 4x square minus x plus 3 upon 2. Okay. Alright. So now moving on to next question. Okay. So right. So next question we have minus 15x cube minus x plus 2 divided with 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Okay. So just look here. Seventh question, last question of this question, last part of this question, right? Next chapter which we will be starting is percentage and its applications, right? So this I am doing 3x square plus 2x minus 1. This is divisor, and here we have minus 15x cube minus x plus 2. 3x square plus 2x minus 1 minus 15x cube minus x plus 2. Okay. What is our first step? Minus 15x cube divided with 3x square. Minus 15x cube divided with 3x square. So you will get what? Minus 5x. देखो 3 5s are 15. 3 minus 2 is 1. So you get minus 5x. है ना? Now you will multiply minus 5x with whole 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Minus 5x into 3x square is minus 15x cube. Minus 5x into 2x minus 10x square. Minus 5x into minus 1 will be plus 5x. Chalo, let's just do it. Okay, let's just change the sign. अब थोड़ा ध्यान से पढ़ना बच्चों. देखो, this will get cancelled. हमारे पास -x + 2 + 10x² एंड +5x। देखो लाइक टर्म्स है हमारे पास -x एंड -5x which is -6x, -x एंड -5x, ये तो लाइक टर्म्स है, हम कर सकते हैं इसको, लिख दो इसको -6x। अभी हमारे पास ये भी है +10x², देखो इसकी पावर ज्यादा है। देखो इस क्वेश्चन को आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग इन सम अदर वे ताकि तुम लोगों को समझने में इजी रहे। आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, देखो -5x को 3x² + 2x - 1 से जब आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया यू विल गेट -15x³ -10x² एंड +5, -15x² -10x and then we have +5x, सॉरी +5x। अभी देखिए लाइक टर्म्स -15x³ x³ के नीचे x³ देखो प्लस का 5x है ना, और यहाँ पर भी x है तो लाइक टर्म के नीचे लाइक टर्म लिखा। देन वी हैव -10x², लीव इट लाइक दैट। साइन सबके चेंज करने हैं। अभी देखो जस्ट लुक हियर, एक बार सॉल्व कर रही हूँ, प्लस दिस इज 5x एंड दिस इज -x, -6x मिलेगा, और यहाँ पे है हमारा +10x² है ना, ये भी तो लिखोगे 2 and 10x² we cannot add or subtract because these are not like terms, और ये +2, ठीक है। लेकिन अभी एक प्रॉब्लम है, मैंने तुमको बोला था कि जिसकी पावर ज्यादा होती है उसको पहले लिखते हैं, जिसकी पावर ज्यादा होती है, तो यानी कि मैं जिसकी पावर ज्यादा है उसको पहले लिख रही हूँ उस टर्म को। 10x², यहाँ पे पावर ज्यादा है x की, वेरिएबल की पावर ज्यादा यहाँ है तो इसको लिखा, उसके बाद आई विल राइट -6x एंड देन 2, है ना। आप एक चाहे स्टेप बढ़ा दो बट डोंट मेक मिस्टेक्स, ओके। देन अगेन 10x² डिवाइडेड बाय 3x², 10x² को 3x² से डिवाइड करोगे यू विल गेट 10/3, अंडरस्टूड। नाउ 10/3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3x² + 2x - 1, so 10/3 into 3x² first term multiplied with first this 10/3, then second term is 2x, then we have 10/3। देखो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, 10/3 को 3x² से मल्टीप्लाई किया you will get 10x², 10/3 multiplied with 2x, so you will get 20/3x and then we have -10/3। देखो so we are going to write it here, so this is not the step है ना, ये सिर्फ आपको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए बोला था। 10x², then we have 20/3x, then we have 10/3। now we will change the signs, okay। now we will get what, देखो ये लाइक टर्म्स है -6x and -20/3, -20/3 and -6 है ना, so you will get what, -20 -18, so -38/3 x, and then 2 + 10/3 is going to be what, 16/3। just look here, 2 plus का और plus का 10/3 you will get 16/3। next step, अभी देखो now you need to pay attention just because of this step I have explained you this question, otherwise I would have given you homework to try it by yourself। देखो अब क्या होगा, now we have got -5x + 10/3 as question, और फिर हमारा अभी बच रहा है -38/3x + 16/3। देखो आप यू कैनॉट डिवाइड, ऑल्दो डिवाइड तो कर सकते हैं, इसको इससे डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते। अगर आप इसको डिवाइड करोगे यू विल नॉट गेट अ पॉलिनोमियल, एक एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन मिल जाएगा पर पॉलिनोमियल नहीं मिलेगा आपको। आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू डेप्थ ऑफ दिस, पर मैं ये बोलूँगी कि रिमाइंडर की जो हमें एक्सप्रेशन मिलता है उसकी डिग्री इज ऑलवेज लेस देन द डिग्री ऑफ डिवाइजर। देखो यहाँ x की पावर 2 है और यहाँ x की पावर 1 है, जब तक रिमाइंडर की डिग्री इससे ज्यादा है तब तक हम डिवाइड करते हैं, उसके बाद जो बचता है दिस इज आवर रिमाइंडर। देखो अब यहाँ पे डिग्री 2 है, यहाँ पे डिग्री 1 है, डिग्री कम है रिमाइंडर की, आई मीन जो मिल रहा है हमें यहाँ पे इस स्टेप में वो डिग्री, इस एक्सप्रेशन की डिग्री कम है with respect to divisor, so this is going to be our remainder। अब हम आगे डिविजन नहीं करेंगे, so this is our remainder and this is our question, okay। so that's it for now, all right। next chapter we will be starting in our next video। thank you so much।